Joe Beermaster here. I'm back after a little bit of break. Hope everybody's been good. I'm going to show you how to change the battery on a Honda key fob. If your key fob looks like this, I'm going to show you how to do it, and I'm going to show you the complications. This key fits multiple vehicles, including Accord, Civic, Pilot. There's a couple other ones that it also covers. So we have to get in here, change the battery. You can see this is two pieces, and there's only one way, is to get a screwdriver, and you have to use the type of screwdriver they use for glasses. It's so small. Now I've already tried close up on that. It's a very small Phillips. So I have been spinning this, and it's really not spinning too good. And I have gotten to the point, I'm putting pressure on it, that I don't think it's going to come out. This key's a little old, but I did get it open. So if you look, there's a little slot here. You can stick a screwdriver in there and like pop it, or it actually comes loose. So I did get it open, but I got it open enough to kind of spin it. And there's a little box inside here. We're going to get that out. Alright, it came off anyhow. So that's one of the complications you might get with this screw. It's so dingy little thing. We're going to take this out, and inside here is the battery in this little box. So we're going to open that up. You can see there's a little clip here. We're going to kind of pry it. It's on both ends. And I pry it up on that. You see it right there. And then flip it open. Be very careful, because these do fall apart. And there is your battery, and we're going to pop that out. Use a little hook like this, or you can use a little screwdriver. It doesn't matter. So there it is. And this is, if you look closely, this is a Panasonic CR1616 3 volt. You can get that at any hardware store or pharmacy. And we're going to get the new one. We're going to get the new one and slide it in. There's a little spring there. Going to make sure the letters are on the downside, just the same way you took it out. Because one side is positive, one side is negative. Let's do that again. Watch nothing falls out. And we're going to put this back together. See, one end is tapered. This is what I was talking about, that it could fall apart and then your buttons could fall out. You got to be very careful. Put that back in. You got to be very careful you don't lose anything. Make sure everything fits correctly. Then clamp it shut. It should click back real nice. We just lost some of our lighting. Then we're going to put it back in. And I'm going to get the other side and get that in. Click it back together and put the screw in. But in this case, I am going to squeeze it through and then put a little glue in here to hold it shut. I'm going to see if I can change that screw out after I'm done the video to get this to lock nice. So that's it. It's real simple to do. That's how it's done for this Honda. The key is to get one of those glass screwdrivers, take that screw out. The screw might not come out. If it doesn't, you're going to have to force it a little bit and then kind of work it back together. Maybe put a little glue in here, or a little tape or something just to hold it together, or change the screw if it doesn't come out. But you should get that screw out. I'm going to get that out afterwards. And you're good to go. Just watch the buttons don't come apart when you have it all open, because I've done it before and the buttons fall on the ground, and then you're scrambling to put it back together. So Joe Beermaster, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.